If you're trying to make a live wallpaper but the live wallpaper not working, it's mean you are trying the wrong way to make a live wallpaper. Follow these easy and step-by-step guide to make a live wallpaper. So first of all, open your camera app and select photo. Then make sure to enable live photo option. Then all you have to need just capture a live photo. Then open the photo. Tap on this share icon at the bottom left. And here tap on use as wallpaper. Now enable live option from here. And as you can see, the photo is live. Now tap on add. Tap on set as wallpaper pair. And that's it. This is how we can make a live wallpaper on iOS 17. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.